In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI for business meetings in 2025. Leveraging technology like Otter AI can revolutionize the way your team conducts and records meetings, providing a seamless and efficient way to document discussions and decisions. Let's walk through how to make the most out of Otter for your business needs. First things first, you'll need to head over to Otter AI, pull up your web browser, and navigate to the site. Once you're there, you can either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. Otter offers both free and business plans, and I would recommend looking into the business option if you're managing a team. This plan includes features like team collaboration, live note taking, and the benefit of auto sharing notes after each meeting, which can greatly enhance your team's workflow. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to connect Otter to your preferred meeting platform. Otter works seamlessly with popular tools such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. To make this connection, you'll want to go to your Otter dashboard and select Apps. From there, click on the option that says Connect to Zoom, Connect to Google Meet, or Connect to Teams, depending on what you're using. Grant the necessary authorizations, and once done, Otter is all set to join and assist in your meetings by transcribing and recording them in real time. With Otter integrated into your meeting platform, you're ready to start your meeting. As soon as the meeting kicks off, the Otter assistant will automatically join. Provided you have this feature enabled, it begins listening in, recording the entire session, and generating live transcripts that your team can access and edit at Otter AI/live. And if you prefer to start the recording manually, simply click on record in either the Otter web app or their mobile app. After the meeting concludes, the real value of Otter comes into play when you dive into reviewing and editing your transcript. Head back to your Otter dashboard and pull up the meeting transcript. Here you can make edits or highlight crucial points like decisions made, tasks assigned, or any necessary next steps. Adding summary keywords or action items can be incredibly helpful for later review, allowing you to quickly navigate to the most important parts of the conversation. Sharing this wealth of information with your team couldn't be simpler. Click on Share, then select team members from your contact list or create a public link for broader accessibility. If you need a hard copy or a format for different applications, you can export the transcript as a PDF, TXT, or DOCX file. Further, Otter allows you to integrate summaries directly into tools like Notion, Monday.com, or Google Docs, streamlining the workflow. Here are a few bonus tips to maximize Otter within a business environment. If you have a larger team, consider Otter Teams to manage multiple users and shared workspaces efficiently. Automating the sending of meeting notes into your CRM or project management apps saves time. You can also add AI-generated summaries for a more comprehensive understanding of meetings, especially useful under the business and enterprise plans. Lastly, tagging speakers and incorporating timestamps makes it easier to pinpoint specific parts of the dialogue swiftly. By following these steps and tips, you can fully harness Otter AI's powerful functionalities, transforming your business meetings into highly productive sessions.